Do you want to be able to watch YouTube videos on TV but you're not sure how? In this video, I will show you how. So let's get started. First of all, you open up your YouTube app, and then at the bottom here, you have 5 options. Click on the U icon, which is the last option. Tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, and then you tap on Watch on TV. So now you can see it says no TV is found. Make sure your TV is on and connected to Wi-Fi. So that's what you're gonna do. First of all, turn on your TV and connect it to Wi-Fi, and make sure that the TV is on the same Wi-Fi network as your phone. You can also link your TV and phone using a TV code. So let's say I want to link mine with a TV code. I will do this. Enter TV code. I click on that, and then I'll wait. Now, for me to get my TV code, I have to open the YouTube app on the TV device. So open the YouTube app on your TV device, go to settings, scroll down to link with TV code. A blue TV code will appear on your TV. Once you get that code, enter it on your phone. So I don't actually have a TV code, but let's see. So as you can see, it says it's wrong because I don't have. If you actually put in a real TV code, the link option here will light up and then you click on link. So let's learn more. Now, if you click on learn more, you should get to this YouTube help option, which shows you what to do. So you can watch YouTube on your smart device smart TV actually, by linking to your devices. This is to enjoy videos on a larger screen with better image and sound quality. So this article is going to teach us how to link our devices to smart TV by casting, pairing, and using a TV code. Now, casting is usually for the phone, tablet, or computer. You use it to cast a YouTube video to your TV and watch it on a bigger screen. Now, when you pair, you are watching YouTube on your TV, you pair your phone to your TV to continue controlling videos from your phone. So your phone is used to control the videos on the TV when you use the pairing option. You can also use a TV code. That is, your phone and TV must be connected to separate Wi-Fi networks. You can link them using a TV code when they are connected to separate Wi-Fi network, and you cast your video to your TV. Now, if you're not using a TV code or a computer to connect, you have to download the YouTube app on your phone or your tablet. Now, if you're a YouTube TV member and you like to watch YouTube TV on your television, you can visit the YouTube TV Help Center for more information. Now, if you're on supervised account on YouTube, some features may not be available to you. And if you're also signed in using YouTube Kids profile through the YouTube app on your smart TV, streaming device, or gaming console, you may get an error message when trying to cast a video. You will have to switch to a different profile. Now, how do you cast YouTube to your smart TV or streaming device? The cast feature lets you use your phone, tablet, or computer to control the YouTube experience on your TV. To cast from a mobile device or tablet, make sure that you download the YouTube app first because you cannot cast from youtube.com in a mobile browser. Now, when you pair YouTube with your phone or tablet, it links your YouTube on your smart TV or streaming device to your phone or your tablet. To pair your device, you must be signed in with the same Google account on your TV and your phone or tablet. Now, to connect YouTube to your TV using a TV code, like I said earlier, when you link your phone or tablet to your smart TV or streaming device using a TV code, you can watch YouTube on your TV when you're not connected to Wi-Fi. Use your phone or tablet to play content on your TV or streaming device. TV code is not available with computers. If you're using a computer to connect to your TV or streaming device, you must cast instead, not use a TV code. So, you can browse YouTube on your smart TV or streaming device. How? Use the YouTube app as a remote. How do we use the YouTube app as a remote? One, you tap on cast and tap on remote. So the on-screen remote will show on your phone. And once that happens, you can use it to control your cast experience. Next, you can use your smart TV's remote. Now, you can try to use a TV remote to control your cast experience. Most TV remotes are supported without further setup. But if your remote doesn't work, check the instruction manual for your smart TV to see if it is CEC supported. If so, follow the instruction in the manual to turn on CEC and try to use your remote to control the cast experience. Now, if your TV is not a smart TV, unfortunately, you cannot watch YouTube on such TV. You can also use your voice to control or manage your cast. How? Open a video in your YouTube app. Type cast, type on microphone, speaking to your device to control your cast experience. Now, voice controls are not available on all devices. I hope this was helpful. So, you can access this YouTube help from the YouTube app. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this which we put up every day. Don't forget to give this a try. Watch YouTube videos on your TV and let us know in the comment section.